When heading into the great outdoors, a good tent can make all the difference between a comfortable, memorable trip and a miserable experience. Whether you're camping in the mountains, by the lakeside, or deep in the woods, a well-designed backpacking tent offers protection, comfort, and ease of setup. Backpackers and campers alike need tents that are lightweight, durable, and capable of withstanding varying weather conditions. Number 1. Nature Hike Cloud Up 2 Ultralight Tent. The Nature Hike Cloud Up 2 Ultralight Tent is a top choice for campers looking for a reliable, lightweight, and spacious option. This two-person tent is designed to cater to the needs of hikers and backpackers who prioritize comfort without sacrificing weight. Made from high-quality 20D nylon fabric, the tent is extremely lightweight, yet durable enough to withstand harsh weather conditions like heavy rain and strong winds. It weighs just around 1.8 kilograms, making it easy to carry without adding extra bulk to your backpack. The tent features a simple, quick setup system thanks to its aluminum poles and convenient design, allowing you to spend less time assembling and more time enjoying your surroundings. It also comes with a waterproof fly sheet, providing protection from the elements while allowing for ample ventilation to prevent condensation build-up inside the tent. Nature Hike tents are well known for balancing quality and affordability, making this model a great option for those looking for a high-performing backpacking tent without breaking the bank. Key features. Material: made from 20D silicone-coated nylon fabric that provides durability and waterproofing. Weight: weighs just about 1.8 kilograms, perfect for ultralight backpacking. Setup: quick and easy setup thanks to the lightweight aluminum poles. Waterproof rating: waterproof rating of up to 4,000 millimeters, ensuring protection in heavy rain. Ventilation: designed with a mesh inner layer for enhanced airflow and reduced condensation. Capacity: roomy enough to comfortably fit 2 people with additional space for gear storage. Number 2. BRS Ultralight Camping Tent. The BRS Ultralight Camping Tent is ideal for solo travelers and adventurers seeking an extremely lightweight and compact tent that is easy to set up. Weighing in at just 1.2 kilograms, this tent is among the lightest options available for backpacking. Despite its minimalist design, it offers great protection from the elements, featuring a durable and waterproof fly sheet with a 3,000 mm waterproof rating. The tent structure is sturdy, supported by lightweight aluminum alloy poles, which makes it easy to pitch in a variety of environments. Its compact size allows it to be packed down to a small footprint, making it easy to carry in any standard-sized backpack. The BRS tent is perfect for those looking for a no-fuss shelter that can be carried on long hikes without adding unnecessary weight to their load. Though it's primarily designed for one person, there's enough space to store your gear, ensuring you're well protected and comfortable during your adventures. Key features. Weight: weighs just 1.2 kilograms, making it one of the lightest tents available. Compact: packs down small for easy carrying on long hikes. Material: features durable, waterproof material with a 3,000 mm waterproof rating. Aluminum poles: sturdy, lightweight poles for a stable structure. Design: single-person design with enough space for personal gear. Quick setup: easy to set up within minutes, even for beginners. Number 3. 3FUL Gear Lanshan 2 Tent. For backpackers who prioritize both space and durability, the 3FUL Gear Lanshan 2 tent is an exceptional choice. Designed for 2 people, this tent is incredibly lightweight, weighing only 1.2 kilograms, yet offers ample interior space for comfortable camping. The tent is made from high-quality 15D nylon fabric with a silicone coating that ensures excellent water resistance and durability, even in heavy rain or wet environments. The Lanshan 2 is praised for its minimalist design and can be easily pitched with trekking poles, which not only reduces weight but also ensures that the tent is stable even in windy conditions. With excellent ventilation features, including multiple mesh panels, the tent prevents condensation build-up, ensuring a dry and comfortable experience inside. This tent is perfect for those looking for a budget-friendly, ultralight, and reliable option for multi-day trips into the wilderness. Key features. Material: made from durable 15D nylon fabric with silicone coating, ensuring waterproof protection. Weight: at 1.2 kilograms, it's lightweight and easy to carry on long hikes. Setup: uses trekking poles for a lightweight and stable structure. Waterproof rating: waterproof rating of 2000 mm, suitable for heavy rain. Ventilation: features mesh panels for improved airflow and reduced condensation. Capacity: spacious enough for 2 people, with additional gear storage space. Number 4. Mongar 2 Tent by Nature Hike. The Mongar 2 tent from Nature Hike is an excellent option for those seeking a high-quality, affordable backpacking tent with a focus on space and comfort. Designed for 2 people, the Mongar 2 offers a lightweight structure without compromising on durability or weather protection. It weighs around 2.1 kilograms, which is slightly heavier than ultralight options, but still very manageable for backpacking trips. The tent is made from durable 20D silicone-coated nylon, providing a waterproof rating of 3000 mm, ensuring you stay dry even in heavy rain. The Mongar 2 features 2 doors and 2 vestibules, providing easy access and extra space for storing gear. Its freestanding design, combined with aluminum poles, allows for a quick and hassle-free setup, even in tricky terrains. With its spacious interior and high-quality materials, the Mongar 2 is ideal for campers looking for a comfortable and reliable shelter during their outdoor adventures. Key features. Material: 20D silicone-coated nylon for durability and waterproofing. Weight: weighs about 2.1 kilograms, lightweight for a 2-person tent. Waterproof rating: 3000 mm waterproof rating to withstand heavy rain. Design: 2 doors and 2 vestibules for easy access and gear storage. Setup: freestanding design with lightweight aluminum poles for easy assembly. Capacity: spacious enough for 2 people, with ample headroom. Number 5. Flytop 3 4-Season Dome Tent. The Flytop 3 4-Season Dome Tent is perfect for campers who need a versatile tent that can be used throughout the year, even in harsher weather conditions. This tent is designed to provide superior protection against wind, rain, and snow, making it suitable for both summer and winter camping trips. Its dome structure provides extra stability, which is essential for camping in windy or snowy environments. Weighing around 2.8 kilograms, this tent is slightly heavier than some ultralight options, but offers significantly more durability and protection. It's made from a sturdy waterproof fabric with a 3500 mm waterproof rating, ensuring that no water seeps through during heavy rainfall. The tent is also equipped with ventilation windows to reduce condensation, making it more comfortable during warmer months. With its spacious design, the Flytop Dome tent can comfortably fit 2 to 3 people, making it a great choice for those who prioritize both comfort and all-weather protection. Key features. Material: made from durable, waterproof fabric with a 3500 mm waterproof rating. Weight: weighs 2.8 kilograms, providing extra durability and stability. Capacity: suitable for 2-3 people with extra space for gear storage. All-season use, designed for use in both summer and winter with strong wind and snow resistance. Ventilation: equipped with ventilation windows to reduce condensation. Stability: dome structure offers enhanced stability, perfect for rough weather conditions. Conclusion: choosing the right backpacking tent is essential for enjoying a comfortable and safe camping experience. Each of these top 5 tents offers something unique, whether it's ultralight portability, all-weather durability, or spacious comfort. By considering factors such as weight, material, weather resistance, and ease of setup, you can find the perfect tent for your specific camping needs. Happy camping!